Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al. Getting in contact with you guys. Going to be talking about some SEI. Well, we're looking forward to this. The thing about it is you see SEI right below 30 cents. Not going to stay here very long, so we want to keep that in mind, all right? So one of the things we want to look at is this is a good opportunity to scoop some or get in. If you haven't got in, I remember we were talking about SEI when it was about 15 cents, and especially when it was below 20 cents, like, okay, great opportunity. Now that it's kind of cooled off and gone down a little bit, maybe you haven't got a position, or maybe you do have a position you want to add a little bit more. This appears to be a good time right now. But remember, let's say once again that whatever we say on the channel is not financial advice. However, if you like what you see today, just ask you to like and subscribe to it. We're really going to break this down a little bit today and talk about some good things that are going on with SEI, and just to give you a little bit of an idea of why we think this is one of the good ones. We already talked about SEI several times throughout the channel, but at the same time, it's always good to go back. First of all, knowing good that SEI is a winner, I want you to see something, and I want you to understand that the potential for SEI is not even tapped the surface as of yet, right? So let's go ahead and look at the 7-day. When I look at the 7-day, it's down like almost 8%. So when I'm talking from an investor standpoint, I'm looking for a low entry. That's pretty good. Over the month, yeah, it's up like maybe 3%. So that's not that bad. Over the year, now SEI is actually down 3%. So that is very encouraging for us because of the fact that we know that this particular coin has a lot of upside. And when I say a lot, it reminds me a lot of SUI. SUI's already kind of made a gigantic move, though. SUI was under $1 at one time. Now is hovering somewhere from $3 to $4 at different times. So just saying. But both of these are part of the move. These two cryptos are part of the move language as far as it's concerned. So both of those, both SEI and SUI are very fast. SEI claiming to be the fastest how can I say EVM parallel Ethereum virtual machine parallel how can I say blockchain, basically saying that the fastest blockchain out there. But it is what it is. And as you go through the different coins and the different blockchains, some will say this, and then the next thing you know, somebody else will say they're faster. But at the same time, SEI is right now that premier blockchain of speed at the moment. I can say it's the speed of choice right now. Just saying. But anyways, just giving you an idea of what we're dealing with there as far as like on the year. Overall, let's see. Yeah, up overall, that thing is going way up from where it originally was. But trying to give you an idea that if you've been looking to get in over the year, this is a great opportunity. Just a little bit of an idea there as far as like this thing is going to unload after a while, but we want to get in before it unloads. This is the best time to be looking because of the fact whenever you have a pullback, I'm noticing that some people are getting discouraged, but this is the best time to start looking. You don't want to really start looking when everything's going up. That's what the majority of the people do. That's the reason why the majority of people do not make money in crypto, is because of the fact that they're trying to buy on the way up. You have to buy on the way down. Something like this, as far as SEI, we know this thing is going to be rocking. SEI is going to be awesome for the next few months. But right now that it's cooled off a little bit, we want to see if we can ease on in here while nobody's looking. You know what I mean? So let's keep it rolling here. Let's go ahead and start looking at the markets itself. Bitcoin is down at 114, just in case some of you are interested in adding to your Bitcoin stash as well. Let's see what's up with Ethereum. Ethereum is down to 3,600. So let's see. Market cap is down a little bit. Fear and greed is about neutral. Alt season ticker is at 35, way off from where we are looking to see alt season. Let's go to some Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance right now is at 61.1%. Let me refresh that just to make sure. Yep, it's still looking good. Ethereum is going to be at 11.6%, and the others are at 27.2%. So just a heads up, Bitcoin is starting to dominate a little bit. Nothing wrong with that. Right now, like I said before, we're in the dog days of summer. We're not too worried about too many things running too fast right now. The best thing for us to be doing right now, we got to start hunting for bargains, because once the market takes off, we're not going to see those bargains. One of the things that I think a lot of people did during the last bull run, that was a big no-no, was that once coins started running up, they started buying the coins as they were running up. It's too late. It's too late. You're not gonna make the money. So don't do that. Like crypto.com, I remember that thing ran to almost $1, but some people were buying it on the way up when it was like 60 cents and 50 cents, and I'm like, it's too late. It's too late. You can't really make that up. But right now, this is the best time to buy, when nobody's looking, as far as like when everybody's got their heads down and everybody's discouraged. So now that the news media is telling you all the gloom and doom, this is the best time to get in when you see gloom and doom. But it's time to get into the good stuff, and SEI is part of the good stuff. Now, let's go to a little bit of information here, as a little bit of news that we need to see. This is, let's see, about the Back Exchange, Backpack Exchange and Wallet integrates SEI network. So this is from Backpack, news provided by Backpack. So right here we got Backpack, a leading crypto exchange and self-custodial wallet platform, announced an integration with SEI network, the ultra fast layer 1 blockchain. So a little bit of reading, not much. Let's go ahead and look at this real quick. Backpack Wallet is now live on SEI and listed as a recommended wallet, joining a short list of trusted tools for users and builders on the SEI ecosystem. Backpack Wallet allows users to securely store, send, and interact with SEI native assets through mobile apps, with browser extensions support coming soon. Top SEI dApps and projects are now easily accessible within the interface. This initiative also brings native USDC support on SEI to the exchange, simplifying stablecoin settlement and creating new trading pair opportunities. Very nice. So just a heads up on that. This is one of the newest features that is coming to SEI. Now let's keep it moving a little bit, talk some more. And let's see. Now let's go to SEI a little bit more. This is from Blockzite. I like that name. Sounds pretty cool. Blockzite says, can SEI prices soar 56% with massive 300% YOY active addressive explosion? In other words, they're asking, is it going to go up? Absolutely. So right now they mentioned the fact that the SEI price is down. It says even with 2 million plus daily transactions and 500 million in total value locked, we're not too worried about that. SEI network hit a record 938,000 active addresses, a 300% year-over-year surge, signaling massive user growth and on-chain activity. So right here is saying that a rebound, technics are showing, could trigger a 56% rally. What we want to do is we want to get in before that 56% rally. So we're looking at that price means it's going to go up like in the 40-cent range or and above. So we don't want to get it then. We want to see if we can grab a little bit now, just in case you're interested. So some of you already may have your SEI bags packed, but I'm just telling you the good news about what's happening in the future, just in case you're wondering when it's going to go back up. So yeah, absolutely good things going on. So we're going to keep that in mind. Probably. Oh yeah. SEI price goes parabolic. We're not going to worry about that just yet. Main thing is we're catching it before it goes to the next leg, and I think that's going to be really in our favor. Let's go to the next bit of information. This is really good information here as well. So I want you guys to keep this in mind. This is CoinShares launches zero fee SEI ETP with staking yield across Europe. So across the pond. crypto asset manager CoinShares has launched a new exchange-traded product, ETP, that gives investors exposure to SEI while eliminating management fees and offering 2% staking yield. The product, listed under the ticker CSEI or CSEI, will be traded on the SIX Swiss exchange. It marks the first regulated investment vehicle offering direct access to SEI, a layer one blockchain designed to support high speed, low latency trading infrastructure. So just a heads up on that. Got some really good things going on. I'm going to look at SEI over here for a moment. Not going to look at it that long, though. Let me go to the different charts. Oh, it's in a good way. We go take a look. Okay. Yeah, it was definitely, looks like we're coming down a little bit, but I see a little tiny green candle right there. So one of the things we want to keep, one of the things we can keep in mind, it looks like it's trying to rally back above 30 cents here. So it's not going to be down long, guys, is what I'm trying to tell you. So keep in mind, I'm just going, and let's see, that's the 4 hour right here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Notice right here, it's trying to make its way back up above 30 cents, but it looks like you may have a chance to catch it before that happens. But, I would like to, always try to recommend, certain markers, like whether it's 20 or 30 cents, things of that nature. We want to be able to easily gauge where we are, and it's a great opportunity for SEI. Like I said, not financial advice, but at the same time, if you're looking to really get into SEI really good right now, I think it's going to be a great thing. It's going to be up. I mean seriously up. Let me go back to that all-time high, and we're going to wrap it up for the day. All-time high is above $1. So right here, even if you are looking at, say, at the price it is now, it's been about quadruple, 4 times that much. So guys, SEI is going to be jumping out of the gym probably in a few months, but not right this moment. While it's not jumping yet, go ahead and get that price while you can. All of the activity is leading to higher heights and greater highs. So grab it while you can and do what you got to do. Make it happen. Whatever you do, when this bull run is over and when the alt season is over, make sure that you made some money with SEI. This is Al with Real Life Investing. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.